right, guys, today is day 2 of penguins. We are doing P for penguin. All right, so you should have your board. It should be clipped together. Unclip it. Paper towel, that's random. Just put it to the side for now. And then you should have some letters. Put it to the side for now. You should have some shaving cream. Put it to the side for now. We are
Hold
just
your
gonna
horses.
use our fingers and our marker for now. And you should also have... Man, we're full of activities today.
Yes.
Okay, so if you look at your board, we have P is for penguin. We have our capital. We have our lowercase. They look similar.
Yeah, good. Closer so you can see it. There we go.
They look similar. Similar shapes, except the lowercase p, it's going to hang in our basement. Okay, so it's always going to be a little bit lower. So kind of where the circle is going to be where the stem is on the capital. Okay, so the capital is always going to be taller. All right, so stretch your fingers out. Don't look at Miss Chrissy's hand.
She's stretching the best she can.
That's the best I can.
Yep.
All right, capital P. We're going to start at the top, straight line down, and then circle it around. Straight line down and circle it around. Same thing for our lowercase, except we're going to start lower, and we're going to go into the basement. And then we're going to circle it around. So straight down into the basement, and then circle it around. And then you can use your dry erase. And we can try to make it. There's our capital P. And our lowercase p. All right. You can do that a couple of times. I'm going to jump on to the next one because we got a lot of activities today. All right. So we have our P is for penguin. And if you look at the top, we have a couple of penguins up there.
Aw.
All right. You ready for your guessing game?
Oh, yes.
I'm not going to draw a penguin.
Oh, we got that down.
All right. Let's see if I can even draw this. I don't know. Okay, that looks bad, but...
I think I know what it is, though.
What?
Is that a pie?
It is a pie.
Yum.
Okay. Okay, let's do another. That kind of looks like a cookie, but you usually slice it like this.
That, I think, is a double P word. I'm super excited. I think that is a pepperoni pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Lots
I
of
didn't even
peas.
think about
Lots
pepperoni
of peas
pizza.
in that one. Pepperoni
right.
pizza.
Oh,
What's
gosh.
next?
Let's see if I can even draw this. It's something you eat. And I'm not very good. I probably would not get a job at Annie Ann's.
Oh, there's a giveaway. It's a pretzel.
That's a pretzel. That's a pretzel. All right, one more, and then you can continue this on your own.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So cute.
Oh, look at me. He actually looks like it.
It's a pig.
There's my pig.
So cute.
Except I needed my little... All right, got a pig. All right, one thing you can do before you turn the page is erase your P, and then you can use your Wiki Sticks, your sticky string. I'm happen to use Wiki Sticks today, but it's pretty much just a string that is sticky. You can pull off some pieces, and then you can use these to make your P. And if it's too long, just bend it over like I did. Okay, there's my capital. And hang it in the basement.
Hang it in the basement.
And loop it around. All right, so you can do that with your silly sticky string as well. Don't throw it away. It's reusable. Take it off though, so we can flip it over to the back and see what kind of good stuff we have on the back. Boop. Boop, boop. All right. 2 things here. We have a top that's just blank.
Did we forget something?
Nope.
Oh, good.
All right.
Phew.
I'm going to put the sticky string to the right on my side, and then I am going to get my cards. And they have letters on them. Okay. They have letters. Ooh, what's that letter?
Oh, that looks like the capital P we just learned.
Yep. All right, so we have some P, we have an E, we have a G, we have a U, we have an I, and we have an N. Random letters? I don't know.
Let's see.
All right, you are going to mix them up and put them down, face down, on one side of you. Make sure they're on the opposite side that you're going to use to practice writing, okay? Because you're going to need one hand for writing, and you're going to need one hand to flip. Okay?
Ooh, okay.
All right. Then you're going to need
It's
some shaving
The
cream.
time has finally come. We are ready for shaving cream.
All right. Be careful. Just a little bit.
Just a dab will do you, friends.
Okay.
There you go.
You should also have your napkins nearby. But I did provide those as well. All right. So you're going to want to smear it. This is the fun part.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then you're going to pick a letter. Okay. And then you're going to draw the letter. Feels like snowish. Okay. Do you see my U?
Yep, and it matches that U. I'll do a nicest little U to U.
Now, what happens if I pick this up, Miss Rachel, and I look at it this way?
Oh boy, we get a different letter. That looks like an N when you flip it upside down.
Okay. It is a U, but if you pick it up that way, make it as an N. Okay, so you erase your board by just smearing it flat again. Okay. And then, let's see, we're going to start at the top, and then we're going to loop it around. Ooh, messy. I might have put a little too much. But you all have your napkins on the side, too. And if you have a table, honestly, it cleans.
It does.
Really does,
It does,
and it
yep.
smells great. This is how we clean our tables at school. So, all right, once you have that done, try another letter. Okay, so you're gonna erase your board. And then, let's see, we've got an I. Boop. Come on.
Make that circle.
I know, it's like, what do you want? What do you want from me?
There we go.
Can you see it?
Yep, you can see it.
There you go. All right, let's see what's next. All right, there's our capital P.
Letter of the week. This is the biggie. Let's see if we can do it.
Straight down,
And a bump.
loop it around. All right. And we have our G. All right, so we are gonna do straight down and loop it around. And then we're gonna give it a little loop around the top. Okay, so we have our G. That's a great job, Miss Chrissy.
Look at that.
Oh no,
here we go
it's one of
again.
those letters again.
Is it a U? Is it an N?
Okay, we drew the U first,
Uh-huh.
and then I flipped it around and made an N. Okay, so if you did your U, now you're gonna do an N. If you did an N, you're gonna do a U. Okay, you wanna do one of each. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so we are gonna do our lowercase n. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. And let's see what's left. Ooh, E.
Our tricky one.
E.
Lowercase e.
Lowercase e. People think it's hard. It's not too hard. You ready?
Yep.
Make a C. Make a C and then loop it around.
Easy peasy.
Make a C.
Easiest trick ever.
Try it again.
Yep.
Make a C. and then loop it around. There's my E.
Perfect.
All right. Once you have done all the letters, I mean, you could sit here and play with this until... All right. So, if you look, I pulled this letter that looks like the N. Remember how we had this way was the U, this way was an N. When you pull the letter that looks like this, I have the line underneath. That means this line goes at the bottom. So that is definitely our U, okay? Yes, our N can be a U, but I want you to use the one with the line under it to make your U, okay? All right, so to make the U, we're going to go just like that, and sometimes you'll see the little line down. On occasion, you will see the lowercase without that little line, and you'll see it just like this.
Yeah.
Okay? So either way, it is a U. Until it disappears, and it will if you keep playing with it. Otherwise, go ahead and clean up your board. You have napkins, you can wash your hand, or if your parents give you permission, you can clean the tables. All right. All right. Now, I'm gonna wipe my hand off with my napkins I have, because I am not gonna run to the bathroom to wipe my hand.
And you're welcome, parents. We provided these too. They're there and handy and ready to go.
Yep. It won't damage anything.
No.
And it will rub in.
Yep,
And
exactly.
it smells good. It's a great cleaning product, actually.
Win, win, win.
It is a win-win. Yeah, so even if you don't have our boards, using the shaving cream on a table or even like a cookie sheet or something.
Yep. Cleans it right
It's
up.
great practice. The kids love it. All right. So before we go to our next one, just flip it over real quick. Look at this word. Okay, we already said that P is for penguin. Let's see if we can line up our letters that we worked on to match. So we have our P, our E, our N, our G. Oh, I'm missing my other N. All right, one last thing. Put your letters face side up. And if you look at our word penguin and you look through your letters, you will see, once you put them in order, that it should spell penguin. There you go.
Perfect.
See, that's why we had two N's.
That's right.
All right, you guys. Want me to add it to it?
Okay.
All right. All right, you guys. If you look at the bottom, we're going to work on some shapes. Okay, we can do a couple of things. One, if you still have your shaving cream, you can make the shapes
Up there.
up here.
In the space.
But let's use our dry erase markers first. Let's see if you can trace the lines to make the shapes. What shape is this, Miss Rachel?
That is a square.
Why is it a square?
Because every side is the same length.
There you go. If you have different sizes, you cannot make a square. They have to all be the same size. All right, so let's make our triangle. And these can be all different sizes,
Yes.
except there's only 3.
3 sides.
So this one is 3. Did I write that right?
Nope, other side.
Yeah.
I
was like-
yes, there you go.
This one has
4
4.
sides.
How many sides does this have, Miss Rachel?
A circle has no sides.
Wah, wah.
It's perfectly round.
Look, no.
0 and circles are round.
All right. So we have our square. What is this? It does not have all the same size.
That's called a rectangle.
So these two sides will be the same.
Mm-hmm.
And these two sides will be the exact same. Okay? So 2 longer, 2 shorter. Still 4 sides. Still 4 sides. All right? Once you trace it, give it a good erase. And if you don't want to get your shaving cream back out, you can always practice up here as well, drawing the shapes. Trying to do it quick.
That's right.
All right. Then you have your sticky string. All right. And you are going to see if you can make the shapes using your string. Oh, that worked out almost perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. So once you make all your shapes with this, tracing it, you can also use up here for your wiki sticks so that you can practice on your own. And if you need shorter ones and you don't want to fold it in half, you can cut a couple of them in half, but
Yeah.
I just prefer to
Fold
keep
it.
them long and fold them over.
Yep.
All right, keep your little plastic thing. That way you can put them away and put it back in the bag so it doesn't dry out. I love these. They're fun to play
They're
with.
so cool.
All right. What do you think my penguins are sitting on? I know they're shapes, but what do you think they're on?
Are they on ice?
They're on, yeah, little icebergs.
Little
Yeah.
icebergs.
See how fluffy the babies are?
Yeah, baby penguins are called chicks, and they are fluffy and adorable. They are so cute.
All right. Do penguins have live babies?
Well, they lay eggs like other birds.
Oh, that's what makes them a bird.
Yes.
Did you know that some of the male penguins lift up the flap of their belly and put the egg on their feet and then cover it with the flap, and then the mamas go out and swim and eat and eat and eat, and the daddies are walking around keeping that baby warm?
Keep that baby safe and warm.
Did you know that, Miss
Rock
Rachel?
star dads, those penguins are. Absolutely.
Yep. All right. That is all I have for you today, which was a lot.
Yeah.
There is plenty of activities to do over and over and over and over and over and over. You can even use these wiki sticks to make the letters too,
Yes.
up here. When you're done, like I said, put them back on the plastic that it came on, put it back in your bag so that you have it for a rainy day. You also have just a little cute little wiki
A little
stick
activity
thing.
with the wiki sticks too. Yep.
So that came with this. All right, that is all I have. Put it away, save it for a rainy day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.